job, Ruby.
Who is that one for?
What, baby?
These
are
ones.
apples for you.
All of these ones.
Maybe Annalise would like a couple?
Yum.
But, and Ruby.
Ruby too? I've got blueberries for Ruby.
It's okay, she can have an apple. She can eat from only this
Ruby, eat your
part.
spaghetti. Ruby, eat your spaghetti. Ruby.
Oh, look at smart. You want some apple too, baby?
Ruby, do you want some apple? Ruby. Is that yummy? Is it yummy?
Does the tray go closer to her?